Drex Daan.
Elegant.
Yeah, name is Dan. You can say it again. Yo, hey, been a bad day. I don't even know how to say this, but I'm okay. Feel bad every day was a dream, but I never gotta say what chance do I have. Is the world gonna turn so black? Then we kill ourselves. Be on the chest of our mind, feel fresh. We feel the pain and we feel the rain. Cause I'm staying in my room till the night might come. See, really can I say it? Cause the world full of people, demons in the world, and I sleep in the night. And I wake up with the feelings that I'm gonna die. It's just out of my fucking mind, like, I don't know, been a bad day. Stressed up all day, kinda light hair. But my mom still call and she say, damn, what feeling do I have here? Like, I was saying to myself, are you okay? I'm not, I'm fine, but I'm all black. Doesn't mean I can't be a person. There's what and I need it, but my life will matters and I hate ya. I've been struggling out hard and I want this. And I want it in my life, so I can't just do the rest down now with the minus. I don't talk about this, like, saying thank you for the worst in the moment. When you come to my life, I was sorry that I lost it. Most time it was boring. Being a person that works doesn't feel like it's something else. And I change every time that I try to be myself. This demon is real and I fight them all, try to be. But I'm sorry that I did lost all, like, elegant, I'm sorry. Thank you for the chance and the moment that you gave me. Rapping on loose beat and the mental. Sometimes I don't wanna rap cause I can't just be the person when I might just broken my feelings, emotions is highness. Like depression is a feeling that I get that I'm dying and I'm crying out for help. Like blah, I don't feel good, I don't feel good. I might just feel bad sometimes that I'm minus. I don't wanna talk about it, highness. Everyone my best for the world. Mine about the others who might give to the wrongs. Like, I just wanna be the best, but really can you say, cause you say to yourself, like, everyone is hoping for the best. No one less, but no one can say the best. And we're saving all this world, and we wanna be the person that is worthy, but we'll never know the rain and it ends on this race and in the war zone. Everyone is fighting for life and it's all gone. Better fight hard, stay strong, stay safe.